My name is Hazel Espeut.
Mm-hmm.
Hazel Espeut.
And how old are you?
104.
All of 104 birthdays. So how do you celebrate your birthday now?
Well, I don't celebrate it. My family celebrates it for me. I had a big one at the but it's the hotel.
Pegasus.
No, not Pegasus.
John Pegasus.
It's a
When
Pegasus.
they were, yeah?
Yeah.
Pegasus.
A big time that was where they invite club members and church members and friends around. My family had that.
Yeah.
But when I was 100, they had a big thing over Vauxhall for me.
Mm-hmm.
And from that they have parties. They have, we didn't have any big one at the hotel again. Just the family. We have go out and have breakfast in the morning. But in here, everybody gather and have a wonderful time. When I was born, from the beginning, I was christened at Kingston Parish Church from the very beginning. After that, I attended St. Paul's School, that's in Franklintown. It's Franklintown School now, but it used to be St. Paul's School. You ever hear they say, Jack of all trade and master of none?
No.
Well, that's me. I do a lot of different things. I do dressmaking. I used to do a lot of baking. I used to bake wedding cake, a lot of wedding cake. And love to cook. I love to cook pork. Number one is my favorite. Stew peas, which is Jamaica dish. That was my number one. People used to love it. But I cooked for the policemen, you know, from it's a number of years when this place started.
Yeah.
When they started the housing scheme. I cooked for them from the first day they start until the scheme closed down so many years. I don't remember. I have just two children, sons, but a lot of grandchildren. Well, one son have 6 and one have 3. The group, it started in 1977 and it's still going on through the COVID. Well, we have to, you know, they don't come out to meeting. But now and then we just start. We just have a few hours and but usually it's every Wednesday we have meeting.
Yeah, man.
And it started in 1977. See the first set of members here. See them there?
Radiant Golden Age Club.
Is it? 1977 was the first meeting we had in 1977. We started with 5 members and now we are at about 45 or some members now.
So most of the original members would have died.
Some, yes. You know, after you reach a certain age, they sort of keep in withdrawn, but the club bring them out. You know, live a little different life. What is the meaning of all these changes? Is it economic or financial struggle? The Bible tells us this is not even the beginning of sorrows. The worst is yet to come. We all have to have a set time and we are being born. So let us put ourselves together and be ready to meet our Lord when our time comes and He calls us home to be with Him. That is one I just read.